Now, if you are super, what would it be? Ambitious or creative or something like that. I figured out another bar that we're going to just jump right into. Chart with the same same thing, same data set, affairs. Check this out. So you got ggplot2 again, just like we did. ggplot affairs plus geombar, and I'm sticking the AES in this. I should do it just the regular way to show you the difference. And then we got the GG title like we did before, number of affairs, plus this new thing called facet wrap. And then you put the little tilde and you put number of affairs. Look at what it does, this little facet wrap. So let me show you. So, you know, you put FAC, that's it. Now look what pops up. So you get the facet wrap and boom, check it out. Pretty cool, right? So instead of doing it the other way, this is the legend. You do count. This is 0, count 1, count 2 affairs. This is how many? 7, right? 19 for 1, right? 7 for 1. Look at that. Now count 11. Male for 3, 8 for 3. It's pretty cool. You know, you can show it this way. So what is this? This is just another bar chart that might be interesting you want to do. We could do it the other way, which I showed you. Let me just switch a little things around. Instead of doing it like this, we just do, here, let me copy and paste this. If you remember, we also did it in a way like this. Let's just take this, right? Let's go here, paste it. Now check this out, just so you people know. Before I usually do my plus, just plus AES, X equal gender. Now we got fill as factor, and then plus geombar, nothing there, so we should get rid of that. And then instead of doing geotitle, let's go here, copy and paste that. This is just another code. You don't even have to really pay attention. Remember, facet wrap is still there. And then instead of that, we just do comma. Title equals, boom. Paste. Let's see if that does it. I think there might be, yeah, here we go. So, oops, it didn't go. Let's take a look. So you got to do it the other way probably with this. So let's take a look, make sure I'm doing right. ggplot, then ggplot affairs. Plus AS, X equal gender. Fail as, then geombar. Simple plus facet labs equals title equals number of things. It looks like you do have to. Let's take a look. I'm sure you can do it, but I guess that fill in factor as factor does have to be within the geombar. I've been fooling around with these. They've been pretty interesting. So yeah, plus geombar, you can't do that. So you'd have to go back the other way. The reason I did that was just to show you how I did it before, because I didn't have the geombar AES in the geombar. So again, this is the normal one, but let me go bring it up with, that's basically just X equals gender, fill as factor, etc. So let's go back up. This is the one with the facet wrap. So basically what you're doing, I guess that has to be in the geombar area. So you basically ggplot2, and then obviously ggplot affairs. This is the data set plus the aesthetics. Oh, wait, that's the one that did not work. So we got to go back up. Notice how aesthetics is in the geombar now. So you basically are getting ggplot2, GG big fairs, but we have to make sure, yep, facet wrap. So that's what's going on here. So how would you do it with another and any of these with another data set, that's just the same thing. You know, if you're doing a data set, right, which you should be doing, you have the name here, GM bar, AES, that's for aesthetics. Within the GM bar, X equals gender, fill equals as point factor, number of affairs, and then GG title, number of affairs by gender. But like before, you could easily just get rid of that GG title. You don't need it for anything. Let me get rid of it. And then facet wrap, here we go. And then you can put at the beginning, main equals, or title, that's right, main is the default one. Title equals number of affairs. Make sure you put your comma down. Then you just don't need that extra thing, that extra GG title. But there's many roads to Rome. So here it is. This is a pretty cool plot you can basically do. I should send out the, I'll keep the, I'll send out some of these codes, and then you can play with them with your data set. Take care, everyone.